Good morning again. Thank you all for being here. So we're welcome again to the TANCIT, that's short for There's a New Cancer Initiative in Town. We're going to be starting by introducing the directors and founders of this program. And those persons are Mr. Ed Sanders and his lovely wife, Pat Sanders. So I want to take just a moment to tell you just a little bit about this dynamic duo. Ed and Pat started 50 Hoops over 20 years ago, and it remains the only national prostate cancer basketball tournament that they have founded in the United States. The company's National Physician and Family Referral Project branches out to include patient lecture series, field research, focus groups, and medical education programs that's related really to recruiting minorities into clinical trials. The program has and does much, much more. This is an opportunity really for us to understand a little bit more about the program and to really learn about different types of cancers. While the program has traveled to over 3 dozen, that's 36, more than 36 cities, and has lots and lots and lots of coordinators and network partners, today is an opportunity for us to educate our community about diseases, treatment options, not only for multiple myeloma, which is what we're calling the new cancer in town, but different types of cancers and what's going on. So we're really grateful and thankful for the opportunity to work with them. Without further ado, I'm going to turn it over to Pat Sanders.
We want to first of all say thank all of you for taking the time to come out, spend time with us. We really appreciate that. Only thing I want to say right now is to all the men in the house, if your wife, your girlfriend, your spouse tells you to get a checkup for prostate cancer, any kind of cancer, go, get it done. Because of my wife, I'm still standing here. I'm a 23-year prostate cancer survivor.
Thank you. And because of my husband, I am here. So please give him. All right. Well, first of all, we want to give praise to God in our house. We're both preachers' kids, and we understand the insides and the outsides of trying to be a Christian. So we just love it, and most all of our programs are in the churches. We thank you for coming out to There's a New Cancer in Town, 50 Hoops, and the Multiple Myeloma Research Foundation. And I would like for Mary Jerome, she's the director. Could you just stand and wave your hand? Give her a hand. She's our partner. These are our partners because we've been focusing on many other cancers, but we've been working together for over a year preparing for this day here in Washington, D.C. We've put together the best speakers, teachers, panel of patients, experts that DC and the nation has to offer, and to introduce many of you to and emphasize to some of you the subject of multiple myeloma. Thanks most importantly to our advisory team, Robin Kelly. We have adopted her. Please stand up, Robin. She has been the foundation of making this happen. Everett Dodson, is he here? Everett, could you stand? Felicia Retland, raise your hand, baby. Yolanda Fleming, Dr. Lucille Adams Campbell. Those were the people that we recruited here to help us move into this community. Now, it's not a new cancer, but for most of us, unlike breast, prostate, lung, or colon cancer, it's a new cancer initiative. You may ask why is multiple myeloma a new cancer initiative? Well, just stick around, and I assure you that each of the speakers, both the patients and the doctors, are going to tell you why. We'll tell you why, and your next question may be, so what am I to do with this information? Well, your answer is in those beautifully bounded books that you have here. This is what I don't want them to just be a placemat for you. We want you to take these and look at what we have to offer, because we're going to do a 30 or 60-day follow-up, and I'm going to explain what is in here. And a couple of you that will come with, we're going to share the folders and what we're going to do. Now, inside your folder, Daniel, could we center our things up? You will see this packet here. There are two things that you're going to have to turn in. And once you've turned this in, we're going to give you some beautiful gift packets that you can take home, things that you can use every day. Also inside your folder is a call to action. We want this to be as well, because what this will do will be at the end of the program, you'll say, yes, I would like to have some speakers at my church. I would like to have speakers at my fraternity organization, at my deacon board meeting, just to come out and talk a little bit about multiple myeloma. We're going home, but you guys will be here. And our whole goal is to bring awareness to Washington, D.C. and our African American community about multiple myeloma. Now, in this packet here, if you can everybody look at it. Yeah, it's not on.